Hello internet and welcome to Meme. Today we have a look at... Generally, kebabs are known for being delicious middle...
That's disgusting.
According to my favorite source of always correct information, Wikipedia. Popular variations being the classic shish kebab and doner kebab, which, if I'm pronouncing that right, sounds a whole lot like boner kebabs, which really doesn't sound... They're usually pretty harmless, but seriously guys, remove kebab could be nightmare fuel, fair warning. And if it's particularly offensive to the GGs, well, I guess my girlfriend might be right, I might just be a wimp. She always seems to remind me of that fact every other day, and I also obviously can find boxes that don't belong to me lying around the house, which is kind of odd now that I think about it. Neither here or there. I have a legit reason to be afraid of this meme. Feast your eyes on this. It's that face soldier. お前はもう死んでいる。何？